Welcome to Advanced Real and String Data Types, where SheerPower combines perfect precision and performance. In this session, you'll explore how SheerPower's unique data architecture delivers exact numeric accuracy with reals and efficient memory handling with strings. These features translate into exceptional speed, safety, and scalability. Whether you're working on financial applications, scientific calculations, or high-speed data processing, SheerPower gives you the tools and reliability to build with confidence. No compromises needed. In SheerPower, data isn't just stored, it's engineered for precision and performance. From perfectly accurate real numbers to memory-smart strings, these advanced types empower developers to build reliable business software at scale. Unlike typical floats, SheerPower reals are split into two 64-bit integers, one for the whole number, one for the decimal part. This design ensures true decimal precision, no rounding quirks, and peace of mind for developers. Floating point errors plague most languages. But in SheerPower, 0.1 plus 0.2 minus 0.3 equals 0. Exactly 0. And that's how you can trust your accounting, scientific, and financial logic. Precision isn't a luxury, it's a requirement. Whether you're tracking cents or scientific values, SheerPower ensures total accuracy every time. SheerPower strings come with superpowers. They store their own length, handle binary safely, and avoid reallocations. You get performance and compatibility, without writing a line of buffer logic. SheerPower manages strings by reusing memory buffers, which significantly reduces the overhead of memory allocations and deallocations. For example, if a string holds the words, "the rain in Spain," and later needs to be shortened to, "enjoy life," SheerPower can repurpose the existing buffer to store the shorter string. In most applications, over 99% of string buffers are reused. In most languages, this loop triggers 10,000 allocations. In SheerPower, just one. Memory is reused across iterations, saving CPU time, RAM, and boosting throughput. Behind the scenes, every string has a unique SID. If two variables point to the same text, SheerPower sees the match instantly, and skips rework. Fast, smart, and efficient. Even with huge text blocks, like the entire Bible, SheerPower's hinting system remembers your last lookup. It doesn't reprocess from the top. That's intelligent string access done right. No matter how sleek other languages seem, they all allocate memory every loop. SheerPower. One allocation. That's it. Clean, fast, and no garbage collection pauses. If your application handles data fast, hard, and with zero tolerance for errors, SheerPower is built for you. From Wall Street to weather models, it delivers real-world, real-time reliability. SheerPower gives you something rare: accuracy and speed. Its advanced real and string types power your applications with confidence and efficiency. Mastering these tools means mastering performance.